Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to cook spaghetti squash, and I'm going to do it the quickest, easiest way, everything. So I'm going to do mine in the microwave. You can do it in the oven, but you're going to have to let it cook for like an hour. So I'm going to show you just the fastest, easiest way to get your spaghetti squash done. We've already cut it in half. It'll look like this in the store. It's really, really hard, so you have to be very careful when you cut it in half. You want to cut it in half lengthwise, and I got Fraser to do it for me so I wouldn't stab myself to death. You cut it open and you can see there are seeds in the middle. So I'm just going to use a spoon, or you can use like an ice cream scooper. And you're just going to scoop the seeds out of the center. Alright, so there it is, just kind of hollowed out in the center. Took the seeds out. I'm just going to cook one half at a time because I don't have a microwave dish that's big enough to fit both halves, and we really only end up using one half at a time usually anyway. So I'll cook the other half another night. So I'm just going to take it, you want the cut side down into a microwave safe dish. I've got about 1 inch of water. You probably can't see it, but just put about 1 inch of water in the bottom of your dish. Place your squash face down. And then we're going to stick it in the microwave. But probably for the squash as a whole, you want to microwave it for about 4 to 5 minutes per pound. So this squash is probably just over 2 pounds. I'm just going to put it in for 5 minutes and then we'll check it from there. When it's done, then you should be able to scrape the inside with a fork. So we'll check it at 5 minutes and I'll show you how you scrape out the inside and make your spaghetti. It's very hot when you first take it out, so I just flip it over easy to let some of the steam out. Pick it up with my fork, plop it down. So you can see like it's soft now, so it's done. All you need to do is take your fork, run it along the inside like this, and you'll see it just starts to come out in shreds, and that's your spaghetti. So just pull all the insides out, and then use this as your base just like you would spaghetti pasta for any kind of spaghetti dish. That's it. Spaghetti squash. Stop it! I'm like a bull.
It's recording.
Stop it! Get back.
Yeah, just stop. Yeah.
I can't.
Ready? Let's go.
My leg.
Let's go, come on.
Stay back. Like creeping his way.